Do you have cute, tiny feet? Then it's time to turn them into cash. Hey there, fellas. I am here again to give you an idea on how to earn money legitimately. Now, let me ask you this. Do you have cute feet? If yes, then this is for you. Today, I will teach you how to make money from your cute little feet. Most feetish people love taking pictures and wish to be a feet model. Feet pics are a great way to show off your style and personality. Here at FeetFinder, you must learn how to take great pics and be your buyer's favorite. Anyone can just pick up their phone and snap candid shots of their phone, especially if it's just for fun. But if you want to sell feet pics or build a great portfolio, you're going to need these tips and tricks to effectively compete in this market. To be a successful feetpreneur, you're going to have to take great pics and stand out from the competition. If you want high quality images, you're gonna have to take amazing feet pics like a pro. Once you know how to get started, those photos can be used for social media, dating websites, making extra cash, or just for fun. If you want to become a feet model, this can be the quickest way to earn money fast. Join the feet buying and selling community and sign up for FeetFinder.com. Here are some tips for maintaining your social media ready cute little feet for your new feetpreneur business. The first thing you should consider is pampering your cute feet for maintenance. Remember, you're running a business. No matter what you use your feet pictures for, taking care of your feet before snapping any photos is super important. Honey, the last thing you want is your feet photos to be marred by unsightly feet problems, which can ruin your feet business. This means giving them a good scrub and moisturizing them daily. And if you have calluses or rough patches on your feet, honey, that means taking care of them too. If you can afford it, invest in at-home foot spa treatment supplies, such as foot masks, hydrating lotions, a foot file, and high quality nail polish. Before I give the second tip, be sure to subscribe to this channel to be the first one to get updates on FeetFinder.com. The second tip is to moisturize your feet daily. Exfoliate your feet once a week using a gentle foot scrub or a pumice stone. This is especially important if you have dry skin. Apply a thick moisturizer and put socks on right before bed. The moisturizer will soak in overnight and you'll wake up with soft, supple feet. This will help them feel smoother and help with unsightly calluses from forming. Ooh. The third tip is to file your nails regularly for cleanliness and the professional look. Keep your nails trimmed and filed to avoid ingrown nails and other foot problems. See a manicurist every 2 weeks if you're having trouble doing this yourself. Lastly, protect your feet from the sun. The sun can damage your skin, so apply sunscreen lotion to your feet if you're gonna be outside for an extended period. Your feet matter! So make sure you're taking care of them if you wanna make money from your feet. Cute little feet are high in demand in the feet market today. So go and apply those tips I just shared. Please like this video and let me know in the comments some of your feet care tips. Wishing you a happy and healthy exploration in whatever turns you on.